Have you ever opened your Android camera and suddenly noticed that the grid lines are gone? Yeah, it's a small issue, but it can really affect how you take photos. In today's video, I'll show you how to bring those grid lines back on your phone. Open the camera application. Make sure your camera app is updated to the latest version. If it is outdated, some settings might not appear properly or may be missing. Once you are inside the camera, look carefully at the screen and tap on the menu icon. This is usually found in the corner of the camera interface depending on your phone brand, like Samsung. After tapping the menu, you will see a settings gear icon. Go ahead and tap on it. This will open your full camera settings page where all camera options are available. Now scroll down slowly because this option is sometimes placed lower in the list. Look for something like composition guide, grid lines, or just grid. Different phone brands use different names, so don't get confused if the wording is slightly different. Once you find it, tap on it. You will see a toggle button. Simply turn it on. After enabling it, you may also see different options. For best results, choose the grid lines and level option because this is the most commonly used setting for professional photography. Now go back to your camera's main screen and boom! You should see the grid lines appearing on your screen instantly. Now you can easily align your subject and take much better photos. If the grid lines still don't appear, don't panic. Just restart your phone once and open the camera again. In most cases, this simple restart solves the issue. That's it, grid lines are now enabled. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick Android fixes. See you next time.